Welcome one more time. My name is Paul, and welcome to the Crypto Factor. Welcome to your weekly live stream. Welcome to the Cryptopreneurship channel that helps you, that answers your question, that gets straight to the point and answers your questions from the chat. I'm not sure I'm actually live right now. I'm not sure this is actually working. So please do me a favor and click number 1 right now in the chat. If you can see me and hear me, click number 1. Just click the button once so I know that I'm not wasting my breath here. I would really appreciate it, because I see this is not really working. Anybody click number 1. Anybody, one person, one. You can see me, you can hear me. Love you guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Factor. If it's your first time here, my name is Paul, and I think I already did the intro, but this is a place for cryptopreneurs and aspiring cryptopreneurs, and I love doing this. This week, Derek will not be with us. He will not be with us, unfortunately. We do have some great discussions with him, but I will be giving away units from United Coin. And yeah, we're going to be giving them away. We're going to be doing the normal riddles, 1,000 units to anybody that can answer the riddle. It's 2 riddles, 500 units and 500 units. I think they're worth about $880 or something like that. Now, that said, we never do this enough. Please visit unitedcoin.org and make yourself an account there. Do it for Derek. He's not here with us right now, and he never shills, he never tells you to go sign up. And the truth is, it's a really cool exchange, and they're gonna be doing a lot of good things in the future. So go sign up. As soon as you finish watching this live stream, check out United Coin. And we'll talk about my website and my stuff later on in the live stream. But how are you? What's going on? What is new? Look at that Bitcoin pump. We passed 40K. Not only the 40K psychological, we passed 41K, which was the technical point. It was the 41 point something or another. We passed that as well. We seem to be holding above it. We have a few hours to go for the week's end, and it does seem that we're doing good, and it is wonderful. Now the question is, let's have a look at the charts real quick. Let's talk about it, because this is an important time. By the way, I'm drinking coffee. What are you guys drinking? What are you guys drinking? I'm drinking coffee. I'm drinking water, and I'm drinking soda water. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to drink during the live stream. So, yeah, it is what it is. But let's have a look at the chart real quick. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart here. And you can see we had this beautiful pump, and we're holding right here. We're just channeling right up here, and you can see it wants to break up. It wants to break down as well, of course, but it wants to break up. And this thing right here, it looks like, let's have a look here. It looks like the advantage is on the upside, on the hourly. Let's see what happens. We do have some resistance here at the 41.8 and the 42.150. If we can break above that, we should be able to go to the 45, 46 level where there's more resistance. And if we can break the 45 and 46 level, then we have a shot at the 52K level. And if we break, and look, I'm not gonna lie, if we break 46K, it's very bullish. If we break 52K, we're looking at a retest to all-time highs, and that is gonna be beautiful. Of course, the markets are reacting, things are following, cryptocurrency is following as a whole. It's basically a very good time for us. Now, that said, you have to be careful. This is a warning I'm gonna give you right here. If we do not break the 45, 46K level, and we don't manage to hold the 41, 40K psychological, then we can go back down, and this could be a relief rally or just a big dead cat bounce. And if it's one of those, it's not gonna look good. That's why I cautioned everybody at BitBoy Crypto's YouTube channel last night around the blockchain, and I do shows there quite often. I go there a couple of times a month, sometimes more, and we talk. And I warned everybody not to rush yet. Wait till we break, and we did break, but wait till we confirm that we're above and we hold above it. And it does look like we're doing that. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Truly exciting. And I'm going to go into the chat pretty soon and check out your questions. I have my riddles here ready. I'm not going to tell you the riddles. Obviously, I'm going to tell you the riddles. They're stupid. I do have some riddles ready that if you answer, you get 500 units. By the way, check out my website, and I never do this. I very rarely do this, but this is my website, cryptofactor.net. Whether you put the Crypto Factor or Crypto Factor, doesn't matter. It will take you to this page, and you can see a few things about me, what I do. You can see a few things written here. It doesn't really matter. But one thing I've added is affiliates. And if you want to support the channel, if you want to open, like, say, a KuCoin account or a Binance account, and you want to support the channel, these are our affiliate links right here, Binance and KuCoin. I do have a Bybit account as well. I personally use KuCoin and Binance more than Bybit, even though Bybit will pay me more if you join up. I have to be honest, KuCoin and Binance is the way I go. This is Ballet Wallet. Actually, as a matter of fact, let me show you these real quick. I actually have them here. I have a couple of Ballet. We used to give these out. These are actually hard wallets. I got another one right here. They're pretty cool. Check them out. They're little cards, hard wallets, that you can load up Bitcoin, and you can also load up other cryptocurrencies using your phone, using your app on your phone. And also, of course, we have the actual box as well that comes with instructions and stuff. I might start giving these out again, but I'm actually have an idea that I want to do. So that's your Ballet wallet. This is my game right here. I'm the co-founder of BitBulls, and of course, this is my online shop. I don't know if you've seen this, but I do have an online shop on YouTube where you can buy some stuff. For example, some clothes, some apparel with the Crypto Factor logo, and of course my puppy Bitbull, my little Bitbull, the original Bitbull, the OJ Bitbull, Diaz right here. This is before the game was even developed. This is when we were doing Diaz on the channel, and then we took it a step further. And of course I have my Just Hodl multi-Bitcoinaire line of clothes here. So check it out. If there might be something you like, there might not be. I'm not shilling this. I'm just telling you it's there. If you want to check it out, then please do. And finally, this is going to be very fast, don't worry. These are my books I've written. I've actually written quite a few books, as you can see. A lot in the crypto market, a lot in the crypto industry, but also outside the industry if you're into sales and marketing. And with that out the way, let's continue this live stream. So let's go to the chat. Let me see your chat right here. Let's see if we have any questions. By the way, also, I bought a new camera. I might show. Click number one. Click 1 now if you want to see the new camera I bought, or click number 2 if you really don't care. But I bought a new camera. I want to set it up so we can have a better quality live streams and videos on the channel. Plus, I want to do some stuff outside. I got out of Canon. I got into Sony. If you're a camera geek, maybe I'll get into it later on. We'll see. Let's see the chat. I see people going crazy, clicking number 1s here, helping me out. I see Mr. Blue. I see Gibran. I see so many people. I see G-Rock. I see Torsten Hampel. Man, love seeing you guys. Love seeing every single one of you from the Factor fam. This is the Factor fam. We are the Factor fam. We are one. And by the way, we own factorfam.com. It's just I haven't done anything with it yet. I'm still thinking. Someone's drinking distilled rainwater. G-Rock is drinking Pepsi. G-Rock, man, you're breaking my heart. Coke Zero all the way. But Pepsi Max is good. Pepsi Max is good. Torsten, yes, there was too much beer and ouzo today. Water and tea. Good stuff, man. Sir, just want to know why ETH is flowing. Because Ethereum is outpacing Bitcoin both on the upside and the downside, and also the upgrades coming this year. So when things are bullish, they're thinking, wait a minute, Ethereum is going to take off because deflationary now. It's going to become faster, layer 2 solutions. And don't forget, all of DeFi, most of DeFi, most relevant DeFi is on Ethereum. And a lot of people are asking me, why Ethereum? Why are you betting on Ethereum? And I'll tell you why. Let me give you a few examples. Let me give you one very important example. People are asking me why we're releasing BitBulls, our game, on Ethereum as NFTs, and why not use Solana or something else? Because it's faster and cheaper. And people are forgetting that cheaper is not always better. I'm not saying it's not a better blockchain, but check this out. Ethereum A has proof of concept. B, most credible companies and most NFTs are on Ethereum. You can't take that away from them, at least not in the next few years. And C, the fees that are expensive is their blessing. Let me say again, the fees that are expensive is ETH's blessing. So when you release an NFT on Solana and the fees are so low, people will buy it easier, but they will also sell it easier. Not very serious holders. But when you go into Ethereum and you pay $150 for fees, it's a lot harder for them to sell. A, because they have more money, they don't care about the fees as much. B, they don't want to lose the fees again. So C, what this equalates to, if that's an expression, is that people hold on to their NFTs longer. They're not in it for a quick flip. If you want a quick flip, you go to Solana and another blockchain. If you want to hold and invest for a longer time frame, you go to Ethereum. So that's why Ethereum is important, and that's why I think Ethereum is going to do very good this year. Let me drink some coffee before I continue. Can you do a video on VRA? We'll think about it. And what is connection between CELR network and Ethereum? I wouldn't know that. I wouldn't know how to answer that if there's a question or not. If there is a connection or not. How can I get into the airdrop for the BitBulls airdrop? You just be in the Factor fam and we'll see if we do an airdrop. I'll let everybody know before. Right? All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel. What I do recommend you guys do actually is go to the BitBulls YouTube channel and sign up there, because everything's going to be announced there first. Or even if it's not announced there first, we'll probably have what we will have inside community from the BitBulls. So if you go to YouTube right now, if you go to YouTube, let me just do this for you real quick. Give me a second. If you go to bitbulls.io, all right, this right here is the BitBulls YouTube channel, and we only have 90 people, by the way. We want to get this number up, right? So this is the BitBulls YouTube channel. Check it out. This is the trailer of. I'm not going to put it on here. You've seen it enough, but subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, and if you want even more advice, go to the Discord right here and subscribe to the Discord. It's also good, it's Twitter and so on. It's extremely important. If you want an airdrop, if we do an airdrop, anything we do for our members, it's gonna be on our social platforms, right? So go ahead and sign up. And while you're at it, if you're there, this is my Twitter account right here. You can also follow me on Twitter. I do some crypto tweets, but I also do some business and entrepreneurship and success mindset tweets. So if you want, you can also sign up there. I shilled so much today, man. I never shill, and I decided to come and do a live stream talking about my shit. Let's go to United Coin. Let's go to BitBulls. Let's go to the Crypto Factor website. Let's go to the MC Paul D Twitter account. Let's go to the Instagram. Let's do the Instagram. I also have an Instagram. Look, check it out. I have my own Instagram where you can follow me and see little videos and what we're doing with BitBulls and the original BitBull right here, my dog Diaz, and how I cook. Because yes, I have a new hobby. It's called cooking. So you got different foods I make here, which I'm trying and experimenting with, and different pictures of what I do every day and everything. Just if you want to get a little bit more personal and find out more things about me. I don't update it very often, but I do appreciate people that follow me there. Vitaly Laboda says, I looked at Wall Street cheat shit. It's cheat sheet, dude, unless it was a joke. And I felt euphoria, delusion, depression, and maybe disbelief. But what are your feelings about this period? Very good question. Where are we? Where are we in this period? And we will know once we break 46K or drop below 41K. We're in the range right now, right? That's what we're talking about. That's why I'm saying, great, we broke 41K. We look like we're holding above it, but let's see if we hold above it. I think we will. Let's get to the 46, 45, 46 area. Let's see if we break that area, or if we go down a little bit to the 43, 42, then take another run up at it. We might go into this channel for a bit, this range from 41K to 46K for a little bit. Let's see which way we go and break in that range, and then we'll know where potentially we are in the Wall Street cheat sheet. I see different ones here. People wanting to see my camera. I'll show you my camera in a second. I get a lot of highs and everything. You bought anything recently except of IMX? Nope. I bought IMX. I got some more Decentraland and I bought the Solana and everything when I made the posts on my channel. I don't need to keep on buying stuff. But yeah. Shah says, I missed the entry at 32K to wait for 30K test. For 2000K? Look, if you... Shah, listen. And everybody here, listening here, right? If you want to buy Bitcoin at 30K and it's at 32K, right? And you are confident, why wait for 30K? If you're waiting for Bitcoin to go to 100 or 140K, what's that $2,000 difference going to make you? It's going to be shit all, right? So why wait? So also, if you have a potential target of 30K, put your buy orders a little bit further up. Now, if you remember, when we broke 41K, 40K psychological the first time, and I actually made a post on my channel telling you to get out of leveraged positions. I told you to take profits. People made fun of me. People attacked me, and I told you, get out of leveraged positions and take profits. No one listens to me. I don't know why no one listens to me. I don't get it. Anyway, it's because I'm a small channel. Not many people are subscribing to this channel. I only have 27,000. We are growing, but 27,000 people are like, oh, let me go follow this numbnut with 150,000 subscribers, but shilling all these shitcoins. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm not saying anything bad about that numbnut. All I'm saying is, subscribe down below, by the way. Support this channel. Hit that notification button. When I made that call, I also said something very important. Set buy orders at 35K, 33K, and 32K. I told you we're going to go into the low 30Ks, 30 to 35K, but I told you to set buy orders a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Now, this is not always the case, but when you see me put this in, when you see me write this, when you're following this channel and you know that we're getting these calls, you see that we've been getting this since the inception of this channel. We've been getting every single call, almost every single call, correct 100%. From the first all-time high at 64K, right, to the first bottom of 31K. We got everything right. People always attack me, but a few people can admit their flaws. Right? Why not take that advice? I'm not telling you should follow me blindly, but since you're going to buy down at that level anyway, why not listen to that? Anyway, just saying, I'm trying to help you. If you notice, when I make videos, they're all about you. Anytime I make a sponsored video, I say it's a sponsored video. I say it's a promotional video, both written and verbally. And when I see something I do not like about that project, when I see something I do not, I say it. I get in trouble from the project sometimes. They're like, we paid you, but you said something bad about us. Well, that's because you did some shit that was that I had to talk about. So when I do reviews on my channel, it's an honest review. And I tell you, sometimes when I'm unsure, I tell you, hey, I'm unsure about this project. All other videos are for you. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you succeed, right? This is the Factor fam here. Listen to my calls. Join the channel if you want to. If you want to subscribe, you don't even need to join the channel and support the channel for these calls. I give everything for free. I mean, come on, guys. I'm trying to help, guys. And a couple of girls are here. Maybe 2 girls are listening. Shah, I missed the. Okay, that's what I just read. Alistair Crowley too. I called the bottom of 33K during your last stream that I attended. Congratulations, Alistair. That was a good call. Hi, Paul. Friendly reminder of your gaming tokens portfolio update. What would you be your top 5 gaming tokens to buy right now? Because right now, Ali Sharif, we are not certain on what's going to happen right now. We're just not. If you're going to buy, I would buy blue chip, for lack of better terms, gaming tokens. What are blue chip gaming tokens? Gaming tokens that will either bounce back after a bear market. If we go bear, they don't care. In other words, after the bear market, they'll go back up, and we'll have consistent news and marketing about people joining them and so on. When you hear Nike, Samsung, Adidas joining NFT platforms or gaming platforms, these are the ones that are going to be talked about. What are these ones? Sand and Decentraland, right? Sand and Mana. Decentraland is Mana, by the way. So these are the 2 platforms I would get into. And some of them, if you want to be a little bit riskier, I would look at price action. So you want to look at Gala because of the price action. You want to look at Axis Infinity because it took a hit and it has a price action. Plus it has a pretty cool staking mechanism. And if there's a third one, if there was a third one, and this is going to sound unconventional, but I would go with Solana since it's a gaming platform or tries to dedicate itself to gaming, and that I can. It's not a gaming token per se, but it is something that's into gaming, right? And also Ethereum for that matter. So that's what I would be looking at now, like a blue chip, if you will, right? Safer coins, for lack of better terms. Does that make sense? We have some technical analysis here by Alistair. Are you shilling somewhat, Alistair? Don't shill people here. Don't shill calls and things here, because you know why? Because people that shill, if this is a shill, let me just read this. Let me just make sure before I attack you here. I'm not going to hide you, but I might do. I'll see. Let me just read what you're writing here. I don't want to blame you for something you didn't say. Give me a second. We began a next trend of multi-month upswing. We just came off a 6-month bear market, and now we're entering a bull run. Alice, I'm Crowler's great-grandson, IRL. I'm using family knowledge and connections to get my info. Okay. All right. I'm not going to consider this. It might be. If you invite anybody to a group or to calls or anything like that, you're probably a scammer. So do not do that. If this guy tells you to follow him for calls or anything like that during the chat at any time, first of all, my mods will hide you. It will ban you off the channel. And second of all, that would be a verified scam. Nobody that has a name, that has a presence, goes into chats and says, I told you so, come follow my signals on a YouTube channel with 27,000. I don't care who grandson you are. All right? But if you're here, just honoring us with your presence and telling us some advice or telling us what you think and stuff, that's okay. Just don't shill anything. I don't take kindly to scammers. I hate scammers. I'm not saying you're a scammer. I'm unsure. I got the you know, my mods here have the wrench of truth. They have the wrench of truth, and they're not afraid to use it. Right? They're not afraid to use it. So tread carefully. All right. Mr. Blue, tell me a little bit about Synthetics SNX. I went to Celsius. Yeah, okay. So Synthetics, we were calling it in the beginning of 2021, by the way. We were into synthetics and so on. We actually got out of XRP into synthetics as well as some other ones. I can't remember. I think it was the other one was Solano. I can't remember which other one's Mana. But synthetics was a call on this channel. If you go back, you can see. Now, I know they're paying out from Celsius, doing 15% and everything. That's pretty cool. But that said, why do these sites pay more certain coins? There's something special about them. Yeah, there are reasons. They utilize your funds differently in locking. It's actually legit, but it's also a little bit more dangerous. Why is it dangerous? Because any time you lock up and you can't get out, it's a bit, you're taking risk, but they're using your funds just like a bank would, and they're just paying out bigger APYs. Plus, the less people are in, the more APY is given out. The more people that get in, the less APY is given out, right? What's up, Gord Iceman, my man? How are you? Everybody check out Gord Iceman's channel, by the way. If you're interested in Camtasia and doing YouTube videos, Gord Iceman's the man to go. He actually helped me out a lot. Amir Malik, hey Paul, just got into Solana NFT market with my friends. Crazy how big it's getting. Yeah, it's true. And the profit to be made if you research the strong projects. Whitelist is a way. Yeah, it can be tricky. I actually have some NFTs from Solana as well. I don't think they did very well. I never checked them ever since I bought them though. One was Soul Bears. Don't ask me why. But one was Soul Bears. The other one was Salamanders. And there was one more that I got into the Solana blockchain, which I can't for the life of me remember. I have them in my wallet, obviously, but I haven't opened it since. So let me know if I made any money. René Montenegro is calling for a bull trap. Let's see. Triple top, we'll see. Again, you're the only honest guy on YouTube. And there are, Stephen, there are other honest guys on YouTube, but yes, I do pride myself of being one of them. Paul, you are an amazing teacher. Introduced me to crypto. I'll be eternally grateful for you. You're very welcome, Alistair. Okay, man. I see now you're being cool. I thought I was a bit skeptic earlier on. I thought you were gonna shill a project. Sorry, man. I do get a lot of people trying to scam my audience, trying to pretend to be me in the comments and getting on the chat and shilling stuff, man. I do remember your name, by the way. I was just not sure. I wasn't sure. You know, crypto has made me paranoid. I'm just so paranoid in here. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Gibran says, if we break 42,000, what 5 altcoins you buy? I just mentioned them. I just mentioned some gaming tokens, of course. Ethereum would be one. Solana would be the other. Decentraland would be the other. Sandbox game would be the other one. And Gala, for a riskier play, would be the 5th. Okay, those are cool coins in my opinion. There are more I would get into. AVAX, of course, would be one of them. Polkadot took a great hit. Would be a good time to get in. There's one more. Come on, there's more. Link, because that will go up as the oracle with Ethereum when Ethereum starts going up. What else? Give me a second. Let me give you 2 more because you said 10. Well, you said 5, but let's make it a round number real quick. Give me a second. Another 2 calls. I'm just gonna look at I'm looking at my blockfolio to tell you. Atom, of course, would be another, and Matic. All right, let's move on. Paul, don't let the haters get to you. Your entire purpose to cause fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and cause you lose money and lose health. Thank you, man. I agree. Luna, FTM, and AVAX are 3 good coins, by the way. I agree with those. We break 42K, Paul. Did we just break 42K now? As we speak, well, we're at 41,701. Look, when you say break, I understand the breaks. We want to close and hold above it. Hitting it and then going back down doesn't say anything to me. We want to close and hold, just like here. See the way we broke 40K right here? See how we went up and closed above it and we're holding above it? That's what we want to see. We want to see that in upside, more upside, right? Access Infinity by Jay. Yeah. Paul, do you think Bitcoin will go back to 35, 36K? It's possible. We don't know yet. This is why we're waiting right now. If you remember, I told you there was 2 times you should be getting into Bitcoin. Either we would go down and find support, or we would break 40K, go back down a little bit, put a stop loss under the 40K, and that's where you got into Bitcoin. So I told you when we were at 36, 37K, it was a good time to buy Bitcoin higher. I made a video telling people, and I said this in videos too, in live streams, listen, sometimes it makes sense buying higher, and people made fun of me. No, it's a good thing to buy higher sometimes, because when you break a certain resistance level, and it goes back down, you can put a stop loss right underneath that resistance level. And that gives you, that will tell you that if it keeps on going up, hey, guess what? We're going up. Congratulations, great buy-in. If it goes down and hits your stop loss and keeps on going down, guess what? It's just a good play. It just makes sense, right? So sometimes it's better to buy higher than lower. Paul, your thoughts on Chromia CHR? Madeira Cake, I do not have any thoughts. I never really heard of it. I'm sorry. There's so much to keep up with. Miguel Sanguiero, I just get in the chat now. Greetings for Portugal. Hello, Portugal. Love Portugal. I've never been, but I really think Portugal must be like Greece. Just so much more potential and better laws for Bitcoin holders. Huey says, don't shield because it's not very possum of you. Yeah, possum from a Bitbulls. Shah says, hey Paul, how is your health? My health is good. My health is good, man. I'm taking those pills. Those pills are keeping me alive. I'll be taking them as long as they last. Alistair says, I don't know, follow me, laugh aloud, no financial advice. Okay, man. Do you have a YouTube channel? Let me see. Give me a second. How can I see this? Give me a second. Do you have a YouTube channel, by the way? I'm not sure if I can follow from here. Anyway. Pulse X sacrifice. Big Dog, did you sacrifice Paul Chain on Pulse X? Yes, I have. Big Dog means you, Paul. Big woof back at you. Woof. Big Dog. Shah says Solana prediction in this bull run. If this bull run continues, my prediction on Solana is the same as the video I gave a few months ago, and that is Solana can hit $1,000, but I would be selling at $700-800. Muhammad Imamuddin Kadri, yes, Paul, a lot of scammers are there, and they're using your words you use in your videos to dupe you since, yeah. They're using my name. Yeah, I know, man. I know. It's really fucked up. No better way to say that. I don't like swearing, but it is. It's messed up, dude. Harry ML, isn't NFT usually a worse investment than crypto because you can always sell crypto, but to sell NFT? Well, yes, you have to wait for a buyer, just like with art or anything else, and that is one of the case. But it doesn't make it worse. It just makes it different, right? It might be harder to buy to find the buyer, but again, the potential of winnings and earnings can be a lot more, and we don't know what's going to happen in a bear market with NFTs yet. That said, we don't know yet. We'll see. But it's if you're a long-term investor and holder, I'd say it's a little riskier. But look at what happened with Bored Apes Yacht Club and stuff like that. They're worth millions now. Is Bitbulls a paid promotion? You're supposed to be disclosing their stuff. Huey, Bitbulls is my own project. It's not a paid promotion because I would be paying myself. Like, people try to find, like, I think you tried to do that last time as well. People always trying to find me at fault. Any video that's a promotion is disclosed, always. Bitbulls, first of all, I'm not selling anything because it's not out yet. B, it's my own project. So it's not a promotion. It's not a paid promotion. Does that make sense? Also, I'm not promoting it. I'm showing my own website, which I own. Right? So I own bitbulls.io. So that's not really shilling or promoting anything. It's like saying you're promoting the crypto factor. The cryptofactor.io. The cryptofactor.net. Well, guess what? It's not promotion because it's my own freaking website. What's your current forecast for ADA in this bull run? Still $5 to $7? Yes, it is if the bull market continues. Mr. Nice Guy, I find it surprising why a lot of people like SOL, it breaks down all the time and it's owned by VCs who tend to be very antsy. When they are happy with their profits, they will dump it. ADA is much better. Maybe so in the long term, but because of VCs and Solana, you know, if things are breaking down but they're still going up, and they're doing good price action, what does that tell you? It means they're investing in it because they believe in it and there's a lot of money coming into it, so it's popular for different reasons. ADA is popular for different reasons. Solana is popular for different reasons, right? So they're both great, and they're both going to grab their own niche of the market. Okay, there's no such thing as Ethereum killers. It's marketing niche, right? Solana, gaming, ADA, something else, Ethereum, NFTs, and DeFi, and so on. Does that make sense? Is Internet Computer as an important project for Web3? Well, Web3 can survive without it, but I don't know. Internet Computer might have its place. ICP, right? We talked about ICP. We talked about ICP a few months ago, and I said it's before its time. And not ready. It might be a great project, but it's before its time. I would be getting into ICP in the next bull run, after a bear market. I'm not saying they can't go up. It might go up huge. I'm just saying what I would do here, right? Will Doge and Shiba will be at all-time high? Shah, probably towards the end of the bull market. right? Just like before. So when you see meme coins rise and go crazy, usually it's towards euphoria, which signifies a top in the market. Now, is this 100%? No. But it's a good rule and a good attitude to take with these coins. Hey Paul, great videos. What is your opinion on Fala and Cody for now? I think Fala is a good project. I think Cody is an okay project. I do not know. I don't own any of them right now. I actually sold those off and put them into Bitcoin and Ethereum before the dumps. As I saw we were going down from 52K. The first time I called it, I'm like, oh, we're going to go down lower. That's when I started getting out of a lot of coins and getting into other projects, like more projects that would go down less in my mind, in my opinion, that I could sell, that had more liquidity and that could bounce back up faster. Shah, BitTorrent new version update. I have no idea, man. I don't think BitTorrent will do much. I mean, I've been telling you guys since the inception of this channel, I don't think BitTorrent will do much. I'm not sure about the update. I haven't really studied it. I might be wrong, but obviously because I haven't studied it, so I don't really know much about it. But I think there'll be other cryptocurrencies that are going to outperform it 100%. And as Crowley says, my channel is going to be parts of my life, and I can talk about without getting sued. Hilarious, man. Okay, cool, man. Check out Alistair Crowley's channel. Just saying hi, first time watching your live stream. Hello and welcome, Lori T. Welcome to the Crypto Factor. Give a like for Lori T, welcoming first time in the Crypto Factor. Welcome her with a war to the Factor fam. You are the first prophet from crypto. You are first profit from crypto. I'm not sure what you mean. Are you saying I'm not sure what you mean. Mohammed Imaduddin Gadri, your views on Meta, Facebook 25% down within an hour. If anyone is trading strictly based on a TA, can we expect these dips using TA? Very good. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Technical analysis, because technical analysis, not always, I'm not saying it's like the prediction Nostradamus model or something like that. But usually, TA will show you some weakness or will show you blips right before a massive move. So TA can help see these moves. But then there's black swan events which no one can predict either, right? As for Meta, my opinion was on block, As for Meta, look, Facebook is trying to, keep its audience to go to the next stage, and it's having a very hard time. First with Libra, then with was it Libra, and then there was another token as well. What was the other one? Diem, and now with Meta, it's not doing too good. It's not doing too good, and they've also been attacked a lot as well. Like as soon as they tried to make their own stablecoin, I think there was a mission to suppress them because they understood the danger that would bring not only to people but to governments, and we don't know what they would do with that power. So I think that was the that was their problem. All right, Huey here. I'm gonna show this message because it was hidden. This was a hidden message by Huey here. All right, and let's talk about this. Now this was hidden because someone hid it. But I'm gonna address this. Let's be honest, Paul. I'm always honest, Huey. Promoting an informative YouTube channel is way different than promoting an NFT where you will receive royalties indefinitely for sales. Laugh out loud, you're starting to sound like BitBoy. Listen, if you don't like it, get the hell off this channel and don't come back, dude. Okay? Because I'm not promoting or shelling something that's not mine. BitBulls is my own project. It's a game. There are no NFTs to promote because they're not out. It's something that's coming. How can I disclose a promotional thing on YouTube saying I'm promoting something that is not out? How can I disclose, what am I going to say? This is a promotional thing I'm receiving, I may be receiving something from when it's not out and it's not in existence. Do you realize how stupid you sound right now? That's number one. Number two, it's my own project. I don't understand what part of that you don't understand. Why I have to disclose it's mine, right? Which I am. If there were profits to be made, I could ask my lawyer if I have to disclose anything else. But right now, it's a fucking concept. Okay, come on, dude. Think. Don't come here trying to like talk shit. If you don't like it, just leave. There's no problem. But I'm not trying to sell you something that doesn't exist. How can I sell you something and shill something and disclose it when it does not exist? Think, dude, I can't believe these people. When I'm selling, I have to disclose a figment of my imagination right now. It's not even, what if the project doesn't launch? People, man, when you're trying to find a flaw with something, you see something good, you see something succeeding, you see something that honestly cares about people, and because you're so toxic, and because you don't like success, and you're probably broke as shit, you want to attack that thing that's trying to make a difference and trying to do good things, and you're trying to find every little thing to attack it. Well, let me tell you this. Stop it. Not because of me. Fuck me. Fuck Paul D. Fuck this channel. All right? Forget me. But don't try, but this attitude in your life will keep you poor, will keep you unsuccessful. And if you make money and you become successful, you will lose it or you will be miserable and you will not make it in your life. You just won't. Instead of seeing someone here doing a live stream that's fighting cancer for the second time, that just lost his dad, that lost his mother to cancer and his sister to cancer last year, that went broke in his life 3 times, right? And even though he was fighting cancer, getting chemotherapy and bone marrow transplant the first time, he wrote 2 books and continued to write 5 books. And this time when he has cancer, he started another YouTube channel and is developing a game. Instead of letting that inspire you and tell you, fuck, this guy's doing more with doing more with all these problems, and I'm doing shit all my life. Instead of letting that inspire you and say, fuck, I could do it too. You know what I mean? I can also, do something that Paul can. Maybe I could do a YouTube channel. Maybe I can make my own game. Right? Because when I had cancer and was getting chemotherapy and had bone marrow transplant and I was getting injections in my spine which went wrong and I was in bed for 19 days and I couldn't write and I had to record my book because I could not write and send it to an editor. When I had just a few hours a day getting up and I had the PlayStation on that wall right there, okay, and I got rid of it with the TV because it was wasting my time, my 3 or 4 hours at the time or I had a day puking because I was puking or sleeping the rest of the fucking day, right? And I couldn't eat. And I got rid of it so I can build a business, so I can recreate it myself online. Instead of letting that inspire you, you're telling me I'm disclosing a project that doesn't exist yet and I have to market as promotional? Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. This is a disclaimer. I am promoting a project that has no NFTs, but so make sure you know I'm not getting anything from these NFTs that you're not buying because they don't exist. But I have to say this because it will make this guy by name, let me see, what's the name, man? What's his name? I lost it. Huey, happy. Okay, Huey, are you happy now? This is my own project. All right? Come on, man. Stop. Stop this stupid mindset. I'm not pissed off at you attacking me. I'm not pissed off at what you're saying. I'm not pissed off at you comparing me to BitBoy Crypto. I love BitBoy Crypto. I go on his show 4 times a month, 3 or 4 times a month. I'm on his show around the blockchain. Okay? I think he helped out a lot of people. All right? You know what I'm mad about? I'm mad because that attitude of yours, you're going to be thinking all your life, oh my God, I can't make it. This guy, Paul, he was lucky. He was lucky he's a millionaire. He was lucky he had a YouTube channel with 27,000 subscribers. He was lucky he bought Bitcoin. But you have no fucking idea how much pain I went through and what I went through and kept on going to make this happen, man. None. You have no idea, and I wish that on anyone. Nobody. Okay? Succeed in your life. Become successful. All right, let's move on. You happy now? Ali Sharif, thanks Paul, appreciate your recommendations. Have you ever considered doing vids teaching technical analysis? Yes, Ali Sharif, I have considered it, but it does take a lot of time and it is a lot of responsibility. And there are other people out there that are better at me at technical analysis. Even though I know technical analysis, I used to teach technical analysis in the Forex industry for teletrade, well, Profits Point, which is a part of teletrade. I'm not as good as the chart guys. I'm not as good as Alessio Rastani. I'm not as good as Tone Vase. And guess what? They all have courses teaching technical analysis. So I could do it, and I would probably get some money. I might do it for free or a very low cost one. and I'll even recommend them for more learning. But I've thought about it, but I'm just not sure. Plus, it takes a lot of time, and now I'm just trying to develop a game, right? Don't forget that although you see me well, right, I'm still taking anti-cancer pills, which do make me tired. I was sleeping for 5 hours this afternoon. So I don't sleep every day for 5 hours, but I do get tired, and I do get I get foggy brain sometimes and so on. So I do that as well. We'll see. I'm not saying yes, I'm not saying no, but there are other people out there that are better than me in technical analysis, or at least better at teaching it. Is Mana and Sand still moonshot? I think Mana and Sand are good to get into if we continue going up in this bull market. Is Engine Coin building a metaverse? I think Engine Coin has got to do with gaming and metaverse. Mashur Alwani, thank you so much for a super chat, man. I just saw that. I really appreciate you, bro. Really helps the channel out a lot, man. Thank you. We need Factor Fam t-shirts. Yes, G-Rock. That's a good idea, man. That's a good idea. Factor Fam t-shirts. Maybe I could design some and put it on the website. I didn't think of that. I gotta make some Factor Fam t-shirts. Let me just write that. Well, okay, Factor Fam t-shirts. I'll remember that. That's a good idea. Yes, Portugal is a very nice country, very warm and sunny, nice. I used to have a Portuguese girl, by the way. They are very, very nice people. And I'm not saying just for the girls, obviously. I've met a lot of people from Portugal. They're awesome. Very like Greek. We talk with our hands a lot. I think they do too. Shiva says, that was satire. I'm sorry. English is not my first language. I love your channel. Okay, cool, Chewy. Okay, cool, man. Thank you very much for making that clear. I appreciate it, bro. But my message still stands for everybody watching. Become successful. Get that success mindset. Fight to become successful. I think it's really important. I do care about people. I do. I'm a philanthropist, and I care about people, and I have really tried to help people. I think about other people more than me a lot of times. Let's put it that way. Shah says, if the war between Russia and Ukraine begins, will it affect the financial markets? Yes, 100%. It will affect the financial markets. What will happen after, we don't know. Wars that big always affect markets. Yes, they do. Too many bums around the internet. No, yeah, okay. Well, he just said it was satire, so it's cool. Aryesh Shotamar, United Coin website doesn't have options to send units to Bitmart because Bitmart needs a memo, but their website doesn't have this option. Yeah, that's true. It's been 2 months. There's a problem between United Coin and Bitmart. Let me remind you, United Coin is not my project. I do advise them. I have helped them in marketing. It's on my project. Derek knows more about this. Derek is the man to talk to, not me. But talking about that, let's give away some units right now. Let's give away some units. Are you guys ready for the riddle? This is exciting. I really love this. And I get to say the riddle this time, which is pretty cool. So here's the rules. Before I get started, here are the rules. I'm going to tell you a riddle. And the first person that answers that riddle will win 500 units. Those are United Coin tokens, okay? They will be sent to your phone or your email address. The winner, all they have to do is write their phone number, their WhatsApp phone number, or their email in the chat following the word F-U-C-K. Why am I saying F-U-C-K if I already said fuck today? Okay, I already said fuck today. So your phone number, your WhatsApp phone number, or your email address followed by fuck. Why am I telling you to put F-U-C-K in the message? Because if you put F-U-C-K in that message, it will be hidden to everybody except me, which I need to approve. So nobody will see everything, right? And then you'll be able to get your tokens. Google user says it's a scam coin. Don't fall for it. They will steal your KYC. How moronic can you be? All right. Like, this is just stupid. Like, I'm going to have to hide you and ban you from this. I'm sorry about this, man. You just do this because it's being an idiot. There you go. All right. The reason you can't sell the coins, dude, is because you can't move them to Bitmart yet and so on. Everybody here, there's been more people here that have units that work very well. It's an exchange. It's got all the licenses and everything. You can check it out. So it's fair. So yes, it does do KYC. Guess what? It's an exchange. But yeah, you don't have to participate if you don't want to participate in the giveaway. My God, why do I get this? So many people. Okay, let's do this. Okay, you ready? Let's do the riddle. Okay? I will steal your coins. How can I steal your coins from an exchange that do KYC? Like, this is like when people don't know how things work and they say some bullshit. Okay, so if I go to Binance and I KYC, how do they steal my other coins if I do not put my other coins on that exchange? If I go to KuCoin, which is also Coin Metro, any exchange, Bitmart, and I KYC, how can they steal my coins if they're not on that exchange? So how can United Coin, you stupid, non-thinking, how can United Coin steal your coins if you do KYC if they don't have your coins? Can people please think? All right, I'm swearing a little bit, and I'm gay because I've been watching Richard Hart earlier on, so I'm a bit like ready to fight. He does it better though. Anyway, please understand that I'm not like swearing at you. This is more of a persona thing. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, so let's do a riddle. You ready for a riddle? Okay, tell you what, let's put this to a vote because, okay. Number one, if you want us to do a riddle and do a giveaway, click number two if you don't want us to do a riddle, a giveaway because you think we're going to steal your wallets with a KYC. All right, no, I'm serious. It's no joke. Number one, if you want to do the giveaway and give me the riddle. Number two, if you want us to not do a riddle and not do a giveaway. Come on, let's do this. Let's make it a vote. Let's make this into a DAO right here. Let's do a decent. Let's put this to a vote. I see one again. One. Tricky BJJ says 3. G-Rock says 1. Muhammad doesn't want to do a giveaway. He's putting number 2. I see a lot of ones. Let's do a giveaway. I see a lot of ones. Let's do a giveaway. Okay. Let's do the riddle. All right, wait. Let me find a good one. I'll start with an easy one. We'll do 2 straight away. Okay, so we'll give out 500 and 500, okay? All right. Here's a good one. What are things... Wait. What two things can you never eat for breakfast? Let me say it again. What 2 things can you never eat for breakfast? Let's see who answers this first. All right, let's see who answers this first. Lunch and dinner, Tricky BJJ. Well done, congratulations. You just won 500 units. Congratulations. You were first. Mashur Ali Wani was right after you, man, but you got it first. Congratulations. Okay, Tricky BJJ, you know the drill. Put down your WhatsApp number followed by the word, well, FUCK. Okay, let's go for it. Wait, somebody says, Mr. Nice Guy says he was first. Let's verify. All right, this is Mr. Nice Guy saying he was first. Let's move up here. Here's Tricky BJJ, lunch and dinner. Here's Mr. Nice Guy after Mashur Al Wani. And the reason that's happening, guys, is because there is latency. There's something called a lag from the chat to what you see and to what I see. So I just wanted to prove that to you. So Tricky BJJ was the first. So Tricky BJJ, I need your WhatsApp number followed by the word FUCK in the chat, please. All right, just put that down. Alternatively, you can reach out to me as well, but let's just do that. Let me just take a picture of your name so I can remember it was you that won. Derek's not here to send them right now, but we will send them to you, man, okay? All right, let's do another one. Let's do another one. Are you ready for the next one? Let's do the next one. All right, are you ready? Is everyone ready? What kind of room has no doors or windows? What kind of room has no doors or windows? What kind of room has no doors or windows? A mushroom. Yes, spelled wrong by Carol. A mushroom. Congratulations, Carol. Congratulations, Carol. All right, so you know the drill. You need to put down your phone number, your WhatsApp phone number, followed by the word F-U-C-K. Okay? Put down your phone number, followed by F-U-C-K. You have also won units, 500 units, okay? And I'm still waiting for Tricky BJJ to write down his. He hasn't yet, or at least I don't see it. Just to show you guys her spelling. Her spelling was incorrect, but okay, we don't go for spelling here. We're not. This is not like Final Jeopardy or anything, or whatever that's called. It's okay. It's okay. But even if her spelling was not correct, then it would be someone else. So it wasn't you right after Aryesh. So, well done, Carol. Write down your phone number followed by the word F-U-C-K. I don't see it here. Tricky BJJ, have you put it? Okay, Tricky BJJ, have you wrote down your number, man? I don't get you. I'm not seeing your number either, man. What's going on here? Write down your numbers. While I drink some water. By the way, if you haven't subscribed down below, go ahead, subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next video or live stream. We do daily videos on this channel. And also, please, if you already subscribed, do me a favor, hit that like button, man. Hit that. Who says it? I think it's as if you hit that like button because it helps the algorithm. Well, hit that like button because you like this channel, dude, not because it helps it out. Hit the like button because you believe, you like, and you love this channel, right? Hit that like button. I'm still not, okay. I need you guys' phone numbers followed by the F-U-C-K word. I'm not seeing it anywhere. And I need it fast. We can't sit here waiting, man. Come on, put your number followed by F-U-C-K. Let's go. Do it. You too, Tricky BJJ. I'm not seeing your number. Carol did in the live chat. I'm not seeing it. Okay, so I guess it's not working. Huh. Okay, Carol. All right, do me a favor. Let's do it differently. Okay. I see what's going on here. So Tricky BJJ and Carol, your numbers are not working. The little system we had followed by F-U-C-K is not working. I'm not seeing it. Look. Usually it will be a hidden message, but I'm not seeing it anywhere. So it's not working. Okay, no problem. Reach out to me, Paul at cryptofactor.net, both you and Tricky BJJ. Reach out to me at Paul at cryptofactor.net, and I will verify you I will see how I can verify you. Okay, no problem. Just reach out to me. Tell me that you can. No one can. No, Carol, don't worry about people not seeing it. Even I can't see your phone number. It's the hidden thing didn't work out, so even I can't see your phone number. So yeah, just reach out to me on my. No, it didn't work. Tricky BJJ did not work. It didn't work for you or Carol. It used to work, but it's not working anymore. I guess YouTube changed the way this works. They didn't like the way we did this. So maybe you can just send me an email. Send me an email at paul@cryptofactor.net and we'll figure it out. No problem. I'll verify. I have a way to verify it, so you no worries. Just follow the instructions I give you, and then I'll just send you the units, and that will work. Okay? Okay. Awesome. All right. So, with that said, thank you for joining another live stream. I am going to end it right here. I do need to get some rest. Thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you coming on the live stream. Derek United Coin just sent me a message if I'm sending, but I can't. So, yeah, we'll just send me an email, paul@cryptofactor.net. I'll get you your units. I'll get Derek to send you your units. I'll verify you first. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.